Scene 1. A mother comforts her daughter after a bad day. Mom, can I talk to you?
Of course. Come here. What's wrong?
I had a really bad day.
I'm sorry to hear that. Sit down and tell me.
Nothing went right today. I tried my best, but I still feel bad.
That sounds hard. What happened?
At school, I felt invisible.
Invisible? What do you mean?
No one listened to me. No one cared.
Oh, sweetheart, that hurts.
I wanted to cry in class, but I didn't.
You don't have to be strong all the time. It's okay to cry.
I feel stupid for feeling this way.
You are not stupid. Your feelings are real.
Some kids laughed at me. I didn't know what to do.
That must have been very painful. I'm so sorry.
I kept thinking, why is this happening to me?
I know that feeling. I felt it too when I was young.
Really?
Yes, more than once.
So I'm not alone?
Never. You are never alone.
I just want everything to stop for a moment.
Then let's stop together. Take a deep breath with me.
Okay,
In and out.
I feel a little better.
Good. Bad days don't define you.
I forget that sometimes.
That's why I'm here, to remind you.
Thank you, Mom.
Always. I love you.
I love you too.
Tomorrow is a new day, and you are stronger than you think.
Scene number 2. A kid is being bullied. Talks to his parent.
Mom, can I tell you something?
Of course. What's wrong?
I don't know how to say it. It's hard.
Take your time. I'm listening.
Something bad is happening at school.
Bad how?
Some kids, they keep bothering me.
Bothering you?
They laugh at me, they call me names. Sometimes they push me.
What? Since when?
For a while now. I didn't want to tell you.
Why not?
I thought maybe it would stop, or maybe it was my fault.
Hey, look at me. It is not your fault.
I feel scared at school. I don't want to go anymore.
I'm so sorry you went through this alone.
I tried to be strong, but it hurts.
Being strong doesn't mean staying silent. You did the right thing by telling me.
I was afraid you'd be angry.
I'm not angry. I'm proud of you.
Really?
Yes, talking takes courage.
What if it gets worse?
It won't, because you're not alone anymore.
What are we going to do?
First, we breathe. Then we take action.
Action?
Yes, I'll talk to the school, and we'll make sure you're safe.
I don't want them to hate me more.
Your safety matters more than their opinion.
I just want to feel normal again.
You will, and one day this will be behind you.
I feel lighter now after telling you.
That's because secrets are heavy. Sharing them helps.
Thank you for believing me.
Always. I will always believe you.
Can you walk me to school tomorrow?
Of course. Every step if you want.
I'm not as scared anymore.
Good. Because you're loved and protected.
Scene 3. 2 friends after a big argument.
Hey, can we talk?
I don't know. I'm still upset.
I understand. I just don't want us to stay like this.
You really hurt me. You know that, right?
Yes, I've been thinking about it a lot.
Then why did you say those things?
I was angry, and I spoke without thinking.
It wasn't just words. It felt personal.
I know, and I'm really sorry.
Sorry doesn't fix everything.
You're right, but I want to try.
I trusted you. That's why it hurts so much.
I never wanted to break that trust
Then why did it happen?
because I was frustrated. Not with you, with myself.
You should have told me.
I should have. I was afraid you wouldn't understand.
We've been friends for years. I would have listened.
I know that now.
After the argument, I couldn't sleep.
Me neither. I kept replaying everything in my head.
I thought maybe this was the end.
I was scared of that too,
So why are you here now?
because losing you would hurt more than my pride.
That means something.
You matter to me. Our friendship matters.
I was angry, but I missed you.
I missed you too.
I don't want to fight anymore.
Neither do I.
But things need to change.
I agree. I'll communicate better.
And I'll say something before it builds up.
That sounds fair.
So, are we okay?
I hope so. If you'll forgive me,
I forgive you. Just don't hurt me like that again.
I promise.
Come here.
Yeah,
I'm glad we talked.
me too. I feel lighter now.
Let's not wait so long next time.
Deal.
Scene 4. Bad news, then hope.
Can we sit down for a moment?
Sure. You look serious.
I just got a call. It wasn't good news.
What happened?
They said there's a problem. Something unexpected.
A problem? What kind of problem?
They're not sure yet. They need more time.
That doesn't sound good.
I know. My heart started racing when I heard it.
Sit here. Take a breath.
I keep thinking about everything that could go wrong.
That's normal. Anyone would feel that way.
I feel helpless, like I have no control.
We may not control the situation, but we can control how we face it.
What if the outcome is bad?
Then we deal with it together.
I'm scared.
I am too, but fear doesn't mean the end.
I don't want to lose hope.
Then don't. Hope is what keeps us standing.
They said we'll know more tomorrow.
Tomorrow is not today. Right now, we're here.
You're right. I'm not alone.
Never. No matter what happens.
Thank you for staying calm.
I'm calm because I believe in us.
Maybe things will turn out okay.
They often do, even when it doesn't feel like it.
I feel a little lighter now.
That's hope. Hold on to it.
Let's face tomorrow together.
Together. Always.
Scene number 5. Moving to another city.
Can you sit with us for a moment?
Okay, what's going on?
We need to talk about something important.
You both look serious.
We are, but we want you to listen calmly.
All right, I'm listening.
We're going to move to another city.
Move? What do you mean?
There's a new job opportunity. It's not here.
So we're leaving?
Yes, in a few months.
But my school is here.
My friends are here.
We know, and we understand how hard that is.
I don't want to leave everything.
It's okay to feel that way. Your feelings matter.
Why didn't you tell me sooner?
We wanted to be sure first, and we wanted the right moment.
I feel scared.
Change can be scary, even for adults.
What if I don't like the new place?
Then we'll listen, and we'll help you adjust.
Will I make new friends?
Yes, it may take time, but you will.
I'm worried I won't fit in.
You always find your place. We believe in you.
Everything feels so sudden.
We know. That's why we wanted to talk together.
I feel sad.
Come here. It's okay to feel sad.
Will things feel normal again?
Yes, slowly.
Can I decorate my new room?
Of course. Make it feel like home. That helps.
A little.
We'll go through this together.
Together?
Always.
Scene 6. Woman after a breakup. Emotional.
Hey, can you talk right now?
Of course. What happened?
I'm not okay. We broke up.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I still don't understand it. Everything felt fine yesterday.
Did something happen today?
We talked, then we argued, and suddenly it was over.
That must feel unreal.
It does. I keep thinking I'll wake up and this won't be real.
I know that feeling.
I feel empty, like my chest hurts.
Heartbreak can feel physical.
I keep replaying the conversation, every word, every mistake.
You can't blame yourself for everything.
But maybe I asked for too much.
Wanting respect is not too much.
I gave him so much of me.
And that means you loved deeply. That's not a weakness.
I feel stupid for crying this much.
You're not stupid. You're human.
I don't know who I am without him.
You were someone before him, and you'll be someone after him.
Right now, I just feel lost.
That's okay. You don't need answers today.
I'm scared to be alone tonight.
You won't be. I'm here with you.
Thank you for answering my call.
Always. No matter the time.
Do you really think this pain will fade?
Yes. Not quickly, but slowly it will.
I just want peace again.
You'll find it. One breath at a time.
Talking helps. I feel a little lighter.
That's the first step.
I'll be okay. Eventually.
I know you will. You're stronger than you think.
Thank you for being here.
Always. You're not alone.